Are you struggling with thyroid health on a vegan diet? Discover the secrets to maintaining hormonal balance with the right supplements. Vegan thyroid supplements can be a game changer, providing essential nutrients like iodine, selenium, vitamin D, and B12. Iodine is crucial for thyroid hormone production, impacting metabolism and preventing conditions like goiter. Sea vegetables like kelp and nori, along with iodized salt, are excellent vegan sources of iodine. Selenium aids in converting thyroid hormones and combats oxidative stress, essential for overall hormonal health. Brazil nuts, whole grains, and legumes are rich vegan sources of selenium. Iron is vital for thyroid hormone synthesis, alleviating symptoms like fatigue and mood swings. Lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, and leafy greens are excellent vegan iron sources. Vitamin D supports bone health, thyroid function, and hormonal balance, impacting mood and stress response. Fortified plant-based milk, cereals, and lichen-derived supplements can provide sufficient vitamin D. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy and hormone production, particularly for vegans. B12 supplements help maintain hormonal balance and enhance energy levels, crucial during stressful times. Vegan thyroid supplements can improve thyroid function, increasing energy and promoting hormonal balance. These supplements provide the building blocks for thyroid hormones, aiding in overall metabolic balance. Increased energy levels from optimal thyroid function can enhance daily performance and vitality. Better hormonal balance is achieved with essential nutrients, crucial during life stages like puberty and menopause. Vegan thyroid supplements support overall health, including mood regulation and immune strength. However, there are risks like interactions with medications, allergic reactions, and overdose. Consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen is essential. Check the ingredients in supplements for key nutrients like iodine, selenium, and zinc. Reading reviews can provide insights into the effectiveness and safety of supplements. Healthcare professionals can offer personalized advice, ensuring the right supplement choice. Lifestyle changes like reducing stress can significantly enhance thyroid health. Mindfulness, meditation, and relaxation exercises help manage stress and maintain healthy hormone levels. Regular exercise supports thyroid function and hormonal balance, improving metabolic health. Incorporating daily activities like walking and yoga can boost energy and reduce stress. Getting enough sleep is crucial for hormonal health, impacting energy levels and mood. Establishing a relaxing pre-sleep routine can improve sleep quality and mitigate hormonal imbalances. Avoiding environmental toxins is essential for thyroid health and hormone regulation. Choosing organic foods and natural cleaning products can reduce exposure to harmful pollutants. Regular dusting and ventilating living spaces help maintain a clean environment for healthy thyroid function. Embrace these tips and supplements to support your thyroid health and achieve hormonal balance naturally.